Slow equals smart survival. Sloths are slow because their metabolism is very low. Their heart beats only about 30 times per minute. Their body temperature can drop to around 30 degrees Celsius. This makes them almost invisible to predators. Most animals hunt by seeing movement, and sloths barely move at all. 2. Tiny jungle in their fur. Sloths have algae, moths and bugs living in their fur. The algae make their fur green, helping them hide in the trees. In return, the algae get a warm, wet place to live, so it's a win-win. They help each other survive. Even by doing nothing, sloths support an ecosystem. 3. The dangerous bathroom trip. Sloths go to the toilet only once a week. They climb down from the tree to do it, which is very dangerous. About half of sloth deaths happen during this moment, but they still do it because their poop feeds the moths living in their fur. It's like a small life cycle ritual. 4. Hanging without effort. When sloths hang from trees, they don't use much muscle power. Their muscles can lock into place. They can even sleep while hanging. Sometimes dead sloths are found still hanging from a branch because of this. 5. Masters of calm sloths can slow their heart and breathing to relax deeply. Scientists study them to understand stress control in humans. They live like little Zen masters. Low energy, low stress, perfect balance. 6. Slow but successful evolution. Sloths haven't changed much in 30 million years. Why? Because their slow style works. They prove that being fast isn't always the best way to survive. For them, life is about efficiency, not speed. The sloth's life philosophy: better to live slow and feel the forest than to rush and burn out.